You're gonna love the 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the job done in sleek and sporty style in the versatile Colorado, the midsize pickup that has the amenities and technology to keep you safe, comfortable, and connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Have fun, drive smart, get the job done. Count on the Colorado.